I need to switch carrier, I got a bad signal here. Good. I'm going to use this SIM card from another carrier. SIM card not supported. How I'm gonna call now? SIM not supported? No way. My iPhone is locked to the old carrier. I can't use any SIM. I need to search Google to unlock my iPhone. Let's search.
Good news. I got the site, kissiphone.com, to unlock my iPhone to use another carrier. Wooha. I got the original unlocker chip from kissiphone.com. They told me to insert the thin chip with the new SIM card. I'm gonna try. It works. Fantastic. My iPhone is unlocked. John is calling me. Do the same like me. Unlock your iPhone with kissiphone.com.
I unlocked my iPhone in no time.
Now I can use any SIM from any carrier without restriction. With the unlocker chip from kissiphone.com, your iPhone will accept any SIM card from any carrier. Instant unlock. You get signal right away. Call, surf, and use any app without restriction. Now it's on sale. Hurry up. Run. Get it now, while you can. Unlock your iPhone, now. Visit kissiphone.com. Unlock your iPhone and get signal right away. Visit kissiphone.com.